Hello everyone, Amit Arora from EcoVisionaire. I'm back with news this week, India and the world. I hope everyone is taking a very good care of their health. So let us start. Today we have economic, political as well as business news for you. Let us start with some demography, Indian demography news first. The first news says nearly two-thirds of Indians are of working age between 15 to 59. That is a very good news for India as our demographic dividend continues to swell means हमारे यहाँ पे India has more than 65% people in the range of working population, that is the age group of 15 to 59 years. According to the recently released sample registration systems 2018 report, it shows that two-thirds of the India's population, or you can say 66%, was between 15 to 59 years of age. In this, Telangana is on the top with 71.7%, that is a change of 2.2%, whereas Andhra and Delhi following Telangana. The least one is Bihar with 60%. So that means at least 60% of all the states in India have a population of more than 60% in the working age group. That's a good news. We have a very good young population, and so we can take advantage of this. Let us see how India takes advantage of this. Second, we have a good news again. Infant mortality rate is down by 8 points according to the data released by Registrar General and Census Commission of India. The infant mortality, which was 14 2013, in 5 years has come down to 32 per thousand, and also the it is highest in Madhya Pradesh with 48, and lowest, a very good record of Kerala, that is infant mortality rate of just 7 per thousand. This news also talks about sex ratio in India, that is sex ratio at birth, which was 896 in the period of 2015-17. It has also gone up marginally by 3, that is 899 girls per thousand boys. So it is very low, but here the good news that Chhattisgarh has reported the highest of 958 per thousand, whereas Uttarakhand with only 840. So the national level is around 900 girls per thousand boys. In rural areas and urban areas, surprisingly, is behind. So the second demography news. Then we have again improved education reduces fertility rate, which is again as the total fertility rate reflects the decline from 5.2 per female to just 2.2 in 2018. It's again a good news at the national level. The TFR for illiterate women in 2018 was 3. This is much higher than the literate group, which was 2.1. So that's a good news. And also one bad news is also still there are still we despite the fact that the legal age of getting married is for a girl is 18 years, still 2.3% of Indian girls are married before they were 18. So child marriage is still a fact in India. Some other good news for India. India's current account deficit is gone now for the quarter of January to March. It shows a current account surplus. Students of class 12 to do balance of payment account, you have a current account surplus of $600 million, that is 0.1% of the GDP. It is more due to less imports and more exports, so this is certainly going to help the falling rupee. It is seen as a positive for the rupee, and it shows the supply of dollars for this trade is more than the demand. The demand for dollar is less than the supply. Continuation with the news, India may see a trade surplus after 18 years. हमारे imports कम हैं, हमारे exports ज़्यादा हैं. That is giving us a trade surplus. Exports increasing and imports falling. What is causing this? What helped? Iron ore export, oilseed, rice, chemicals, and pharma is leading this. It is a major reason. And imports जो lag कर रहे हैं, imports जो पीछे रह गए हैं, we are not importing gold much. The precious stone has gone down, silver has gone down, so petroleum has also gone down, the demand has gone down, so the outflow is less and the inflow is more, so we have a trade surplus after 18 years. Again, a good news and a thing too. Next, we turn to some political news. We have Kuwait clear the expat bill. Not a good news for India. We have around 15 lakh people staying in Kuwait and working there. If this law is implemented now, so Indians are in trouble. Almost 8 lakh Indians have to pack their bags and come back. Once this, of course, that as a law is passed now, if the bill is enacted into law now, uh, Indian community, which is the largest community of expats in Kuwait, out of almost half of them will be coming back to India. So not a good news for Indians in Kuwait. Food and Agriculture Organization, students who have United Nations in your syllabus in class 12th. So FAO का रोल इसके अंदर आता है. FAO is warning India of a high alert locust attack जो next 4 weeks में आने वाला है, जो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. और ये अटैक वो है कि उनकी अर्ली ब्रीडिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है along the Indo-Pakistan border. So this will be a bad news for both India and Pakistan, that now Rajasthan, to start with, Rajasthan, with the coming of monsoon, the locusts are coming back. It is the worst locust attack in 26 years. तो अब ये टिड्डी फिर से वापस आके इंडिया पे फिर से वार्निंग आई है कि ये अटैक होने वाला है. And again, a very good news. This today we have a lot of good news for India. The UN Security Council non-permanent member India बन चुका है, और UN General Assembly के president ने अपनी speech में, Tijani Muhammad, said that India has been very responsible player. So India's role in the UN is clear from here, and all praise for India. He further said that India has given a great deal of support to other countries, not only in its Asian region but also elsewhere. So इंडिया का रोल इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड ऑल्सो इससे साफ पता चलता है कि इंडिया का रोल वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स में बहुत बढ़ रहा है. Some business news, students. We have Hero Cycles, which is one of the very good profit making company, and on the other hand we have Atlas Cycles, who are struggling to operate. So Atlas Cycle, one of the country's oldest cycle brands, had recently shut its manufacturing unit in the country, citing lack of funds. So now, as it has already got the infrastructure of building around 2 lakh bicycles a year, so monthly production of 2 lakh bicycles can be made in Atlas plant. So now Hero Cycles is planning to acquire Atlas to increase its capacity to 6 million bicycles a year, which is a very good production. So एक acquisition या takeover हो सकता है very soon. Same we have with Reliance, of course. Reliance is also actually eyeing these companies. So to start with, Reliance Retail, base of Future Group, is going to be taken over by Reliance Industries, as Reliance is giving tough competition to Amazon now. It will be a competitor. So fashion retails, future lifestyle fashions, and future supply chain solutions are going for a merger with Reliance Industries. Talking about global market valuation of various automobile companies, so Tesla has taken over Toyota, which was the number one company. Now Tesla is worth $209 billion, whereas Toyota comes to $202 billion, followed by Volkswagen, and you can see our own Tata Motors at $4.17 billion. That's it for today, students. Again, I'd like to tell you that go and download EcoVisioner app. Teachers, you also can practice free online tests, and also we can watch a lot of videos, subject videos, and by our subject experts. And for any other details regarding this these subjects and the expert opinion, you can contact us on 9891203546. Thank you, students and teachers. Take a very good care of your health. Bye.